Welcome back to Tora Motors. Some cars are built to be driven. This one was built to be feared. What you're about to see has a name whispered in showrooms and a price that stops conversations cold. This is the Mercedes-Maybach 6, deep candy apple red, a color that doesn't just catch light, it bends it. Look at that front fascia. That grille isn't decoration, it's a statement, cut from a design language that took Mercedes years to perfect and only seconds to steal your attention. Every line down this body was drawn with one goal: make you stop breathing for a second when you first see it. The wheels alone look like they cost more than most people's cars. And that silhouette, low, wide, aggressive. This isn't a sedan, this is a warning shot. Now step inside, because this is where it gets dangerous. White and cream leather, stitched by hand, wrapped around a cabin that feels less like a car and more like a private jet that happens to have wheels. Every surface you touch was chosen to remind you. You didn't just buy transportation, you bought status. The digital display glows to life. The gear selector feels like it belongs in a vault, not a console. And in the back, leg room for royalty. A panoramic glass roof pouring daylight over cream leather so soft it almost feels unfair. This is not a car you sit in. This is a car you are received by. Look closer. The badge, the chrome, the way light hides inside a single headlight lens like it's being kept there on purpose. Every panel gap is measured to the millimeter. Every seam, every vent, every mirror housing. Engineered obsession disguised as elegance. This is what happens when a company stops asking, can we build it? And starts asking, how far can we push it? Now here's the part everyone's been waiting for. The Mercedes-Maybach 6 isn't just rare. It's a vision, a concept so exclusive, so far beyond mass production, that estimates place a car like this well past $800,000, with fully bespoke builds pushing past the $1 million mark. That's not a monthly payment, that's a legacy payment. Because a car like this isn't priced for the market, it's priced to remind the market who's still in charge. Watch it one more time. The whip pan, the orbit, the way the marble floor mirrors every inch of red metallic paint, like the showroom itself knows what it's holding. This is Tora Motors' way of saying, we don't sell cars, we deliver statements. But a car like this was never meant to just sit still. Out on the open highway, that red metallic body slices through daylight like it was born for speed. Through the tunnel, a burst of light in motion, the world blurring around it while the car itself stays perfectly, terrifyingly sharp. This is engineering as intimidation, design as dominance. The Mercedes-Maybach 6. Not everyone will own one, but everyone will remember the first time they saw it. Tora Motors, where legends are parked.